In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for files you've shared with specific people in Google Drive. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're trying to manage your documents, collaborate with others, or just keep track of what's been shared. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can either type Google Drive into your search bar or go directly to drive.google.com. Once you've arrived on the Google Drive homepage, make sure you're logged in with the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts, it's important to switch to the one where the files you want to manage are located. With Google Drive open, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see various navigation options, such as My Drive, Shared with Me, and so on. For our task today, you'll want to click on the search bar located at the top of the page. This bar is incredibly powerful and can help you find exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. Clicking on the search bar will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you should select the third option, which is labeled as Search Options, or sometimes just indicated with a small triangle or Show Search Options. Selecting this opens a detailed menu that allows you to refine your search. In the Search Options dialog, there's a section called Shared With. Here, you can enter the email address of the person you shared the file with. Filling in this field ensures your search results are narrowed down to only those files shared with this particular individual. It's a neat and organized way to track shared documents. After entering the email address, take a moment to check additional filters like file type or date modified if necessary. Customizing these can further streamline your results, particularly if you have a large volume of shared files. Once you've set your parameters, press the blue search button at the bottom right of the dialog box. Google Drive will now return a list of files that meet your specified criteria. Browse through the list and you should be able to find the documents you've shared with that specific person. Remember, this feature helps you stay organized and ensures you can manage collaborations effectively. It's particularly handy in professional settings or when working on multiple projects. So, whether you shared a document last week or a month ago, Google Drive has made it simple to find exactly what you need without much hassle. Keep this method in mind whenever you need to revisit shared items, and you'll be navigating your digital files like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy searching.